Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Hopefully all of you are in good condition and in a happy situation today. Now in this video we are going to see something new. It is a text in English. It is a new text in English that maybe you have learned or maybe you haven't learned about this before. What is that? Let me give you. Maybe you have ever read a text about earthquake. Maybe you have read a text. Maybe you have read a text about tsunami. Maybe you have read a text about corruption. Yes, that kind of text, those kind of texts, we call it as explanation text. In this video, I'm going to share to you what is the definition of this text, and then what is the generic structure of this text, and then what are the language features of this text. Let's go through number one. Let's go through the first discussion. What is explanation text? Explanation text is a text which tells us about the process of how and why something happened in this world. Let's say we read a text about tsunami. So this text will tell us about how the process tsunami happened. That's the definition of explanation text. The second one, let's discuss the general structure of this text. The general structure of this text is, this text usually started with general statement. The general statement usually in the first paragraph. The second one continue with sequence explanations. And the third one is closing or concluding statement. So that's all the general structure. The third one, let's talk about the language features of this text. The language features of this text, or the first one, usually it tells us about non-human thing. See? We talk about tsunami, we talk about landslide, we talk about water cycle. It's all non-human things, right? So, what else? The second one, usually in this text, contains temporal and causal conjunction. Temporal and causal conjunction. Maybe in the text you will see there are conjunction like first, second, third, etc. because it talks about the process. Or maybe you will see causal conjunction too. So finally, if, then, that's causal conjunction. And also, you will see in this text, there are so many passive voice will be included in the text. Passive voice. Do you still remember about that? If no, we will learn about passive voice again in this topic. In the next video. And the last one, this is the most important language features. That is about the usage of simple present tense in the text. Yes, why the text usually use simple present or present tense? Because, yes, it's correct. You talk the topic in general. You explain the topic in general. So, the most appropriate tenses that we will use is present tense. Well, okay guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much. Hopefully you can learn lessons hopefully you can take lessons from this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.